What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Windy City Homie here. Alright guys, today we had a quick little meet. One of the guys, Lalo's Moments, that he was hosting a meet. We actually got here to the place, but as you guys can see, it's empty due to the fact that the spot owner didn't want us here, so we're relocating to a different spot right now. We got the fleet out here. We got my two-door, the Scion, Suburban, and two Yukons. We're actually on the way over there to the new location. We're roughly about 20 minutes away. So yeah, as soon as we pull up to the new location, I'll pick up the camera so I can show you guys how many trucks and cars are out there. So yeah, you guys stay tuned.
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, so we stopped real quick to the gas station. We're only like 5-10 minutes away from the new location. We're heading on the way over there, but we needed to stop real quick, take a leak, because we actually took this drive that it's about an hour and a half away from us, from where I currently live. We're coming all the way out here to Aurora, show some love to the boy Lalo's Moments. So yeah, like I said, we just stopped real quick, take a quick little leak. As you guys can see, we got the leak, the fleet. As you guys know, Passenger Princess, Chucky right there. Got my cousin's uncle Scion here, brother's Yukon, my other cousin's Suburban, and then we met a guy out here that is driving this beautiful Mustang right here. So you guys can see. So like I said, we're just gonna grab a couple of things, use the restroom, and then go ahead and head on over there. So yeah, you guys stay tuned to the meet real quick. Hopefully they don't kick us out in the new location, but we'll see what happens.
Loca, 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 y a sus amigas le pasa la boca. Loca, 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 le compré una traca, la puse bien cachonda. La monté en la blindada, me cruzó la merca y yo le pagué las nalgas. Fresita, su mamá no sabe nada, cuéntame esa balanza, abundame esa ulamos.
I don't speak portugués. I can speak English.
Dale mamá con tu tacata, 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 tacata. Isso tudo bem, isso tudo bem. Tacata, tacata, tacata.
Diablo, qué culo tú tienes cuando tú lo mueves, yo hablo de inglés. Tú puedes estar de lejos, si a mí se me para, lo meto de tres. Lo meto de tres, sí, lo meto de tres. Tú no estás viendo que al hijo mandingo le llega a los pies.
I don't speak portugués. I can speak English.
Dale mamá con tu taca. Ese cucu, dame cara, sabe que las puedes. Y pa' tus amigas, tú tranquila, me traje a los plebes. ¿Quieres se entere lo que haces conmigo? Si nunca te has venido, mami, te vienes conmigo.
I don't speak portugués. I can speak English.
Dale mamá con tu tacata. Dale mamá con tu tacata.
Alright guys, so we finally made it. We had to relocate 3 times, pero no hay pedo guys, that's part of the game. You know, you win some, you lose some, but we finally pulled up to the final location here. As you guys can see, we got beautiful trucks, cars, everything, you name it. We got some Fords, Mustangs, the 5.0s, Silverados, you name it, we got them out here. Some of the guys are still on the way from the previous location, but most of them have pulled up already. You guys can see we got a BMW pulling up. with the Ford Lightning. Looks like a Lightning. It is. We got another Lightning. You guys can see there's more and more trucks pulling up. We got all kinds of vehicles here. And I do apologize for the lighting, but it's already getting kind of late out here, guys, so I do apologize for that. But like I said, we're gonna be out here kicking it with the guys a little bit here and there. I might give you guys some rollers on the way back home, because like I said, it is a long way from where we're currently at. It took us like at least an hour and a half just to get here. I know the way back is gonna be a lot more packed, because the highway I-55 is always packed in the afternoon, but it's the weekend, so we'll see how it is. But yeah, like I was mentioning earlier, like I said, we got my two-door here at the Brothers Yukon, cousin Suburban, Brothers Yukon. So, and as you guys can see, I'm starting to bring out a little bit more and more toys. We got the GoPro, the 360. That's gonna be for the rollers later on. But yeah, like I said, guys, we got a couple more things I'm about to do with the drone. And then you guys can see as well, we got a new flag. Let me know what you guys think. And also, this is just a prototype for now, but as you guys can see, we got a new hat as well on the way. Shout out to my boy out there in Five Prints Customs. Like I said, this is just a prototype for now. We're gonna be changing a couple little things here and there, but man, look at guys, Camaros. There's a bunch of clubs showing up as well. Obviously, this is single club related. All clubs are starting to come together for this event for the homie out here, Lalo. So we're gonna show him some love. Like I said, we had to locate 3 times, but it's a no hay pedo. It is what it is. But we got him out here. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram, Lalo Moments, I believe. I'll put his information down on here in the video. I'll put his information. Make sure you guys give him a follow. He's out here grinding as well too. He's doing all kinds of photographs for clubs, or even yourself if you want to have a photo shoot with you and your guys, or just by yourself, your truck, car, whatever the case it is. Hit him up for sure. So he got a lot of clean work. We'll see if we can work together sometime in the future. And I also did mention to him as well about my meet over there in June. I'm still finalizing the details, but once everything is set, we'll definitely give him the information, so that way he can pop out and show us some love. So yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a couple cinematics here and there about the vehicles and the trucks and everything pulling up. Hopefully we don't get kicked out again, and if we do, pues fuck it, it is what it is, you know. But yeah, like I said, I'll give you guys some cinematics, and hope you guys like these kind of videos again. And thank you, appreciate for you guys staying tuned with your boy. So yeah, like I said, I'll give you guys a little bit of cinematics here.
Van las trocas bien cargadas, la raza de Michoacán también está bien pesada. Allá por tierra caliente no le tienen miedo a nada. Con esos nervios de acero viven cruzando retenes. El gobierno federal no ha podido sorprenderles. ¿Será porque tienen suerte o son muy inteligentes? 100% calidad, si viene de Michoacán.
Alright guys, well, we're still out here in the meet, as you guys can see in the background. We had to pull over here. Good thing the McDonald's is right next to us. Came out here, bought some. Estos pinches gordas se la acabaron ya nomás. No mames, güey. Voy empezando yo apenas con mi pinche hamburguesa, güey.
También, yo también. Mira.
A ver, muérdele, güey. Qué rico. A ver tú, güey.
Sexy bite.
Muérdele. Qué rico. So yeah, guys, we're having a quick little bite because ya nos moríamos de hambre, so vamos a chingarnos una hamburguesita. Pues está cabrón. we'll see how long this meet lasts real quick. But yeah, we're gonna eat real quick and we're gonna go around right now. I did a couple of drone shots, but yeah, you got more trucks and shit. So we're gonna go around right now, record all the new trucks that pulled up, the cars and everything. But so far, man, this meet has been pretty good. Shout out to the boy Lalo, cause definitely it's a pretty decent meet for sure. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna have a quick little bite and then we're gonna go around and record the other trucks and cars that pulled up. As you guys can see, they keep on pulling up. So yeah, guys, so like I said, we're gonna have a quick little bite and we'll go from there. And everything. These two right here, this one right here, but obviously the owner got it off right now. But both of these trucks, guys, no mames, it's fucking nice, beautiful, beautiful. Popped open the trunk, bro.
Yeah.
What you got in here?
418s?
418s?
Yeah.
What he got? 615?
Su puta madre, a mí si me matan los humanos les hago un cagadero a la gente. Aquí no está pelada, yo ando y cuido a los jefes. Los paciencia no es lo mío, yo le rezo que a mí también no la muerte. Nomás son los cuantos saben, a mí me gusta la cerveza caliente.
Yeah, make sure. Yeah, make sure. Guys, look at how far we are. You can still hear them motherfuckers, bro. C10 here. We got 454. Clean, clean, clean. We got a bunch of clean trucks here, guys. Look at this. I like this one. Step side cat eye. Beautiful. The lowrider bikes.
Those are the speakers that I got. Resilience, yeah. No, that's the brand I was telling you. Resilience. Everybody says Resilience. I used to say Resilience. I'm like, nah, nigga, Resilience.
Fat Memphis fine. Yeah, they call me Glock and the G stand for greatness. Married to money, tell her that I'm taking. Cut through the gang, better yet with a name. And bitch, I'm that nigga, it ain't no debate. Fuck it, I might bulletproof the Mercedes. Yeah, I'm playing with this paper. Yeah, I'm ballin' like Kobe, these niggas can't hold me. Yeah, I might put up 81. Everybody know me, it's MOB. Until I'm 81. Yeah, bitch, I'm that nigga. I made one. Black diamonds, I'm a Jacob. Bring it to your door like Avon. High as hell, might hit you with a rave. Where I'm from, you don't got it, didn't take some. Yo, smoking on Zot, no fake runs. Where I'm from, you ain't got it, then take some. I'm smoking on Zot, no dip. I ran that money up, no elevator or no steps. Got a bad bitch to my left. I can do bad by myself. 9 letters, you know what I rep. Cutthroat, frat team, we step. Cutthroat, Golden State, I'm still. Nah, better yet, I'm Steve Kerr. Blizzard, that nigga, yes sir. Run up on me, double dirt. Yeah, hard cold as a polar bear. And I ain't hotter than a fucking desert. I spent 20,000 on some fur. This spent 30,000 on some leather. Say that bullshit for the birds. Bitch, I'm on a whole nother level. Say that bullshit for the birds. Bitch, I'm in a whole nother lane. Yeah, got rich, shit start to change. Got rich, shit went left. And before you get an M, you know you gotta take a L. These niggas pussy, that's what I smell. These niggas pussy, these niggas hoes. I be hanging with some niggas that cut throats and wipe nose. Whoa. Hey, they call me Glock and the G stand for greatest. Look at your son, yeah, mama, we made it. They didn't believe in me just like the Lakers. Related to dog, plugged in with the flavor. Big rocks in my ears, this shit look like craters. Young nigga Blitz, shout out my creator. I broke this bitch hard, she calling me Satan. Oh God. Yeah. Nah, for real. I mean, for real.
Guys, will that be it for this video? Again, big shout out to the homie Lalo Moments. Great turnaround, a lot of clean trucks and everything, as you guys can still see in the background here. Definitely appreciate the invitation. Any more events that you might have in the future, definitely hit up your boy. But for sure, man, you gotta come out to mine now next month. Still not sure about the date and everything, but once it comes in, I'll let you know for sure. But yeah, other than that, guys, hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned for next one.
Slim Thugger, motherfucker.